Have you ever wondered what assets can make you rich? Well, today we're going to delve into that very question. We'll explore the world of wealth creation, taking a close look at 8 distinct assets that hold the power to significantly boost your financial standing. From tangible assets like real estate to intangible ones like intellectual property, we'll cover a gamut of wealth-building tools. So buckle up as we journey through 8 assets that could potentially make you rich. First on our list, real estate. Now this is an asset that has stood the test of time. Think about it. Land and property have been valued possessions since the dawn of civilization. But why? Well, for starters, investing in real estate can provide you with a steady stream of income, also known as rental income. This is a fantastic way to earn passively, letting your money work for you rather than you working for your money. But that's not all. Real estate also offers the potential for capital appreciation. That means the property you buy today could be worth significantly more in the future. Plus, it's tangible. You can see it, touch it, and use it. It's not just a number on a screen. It's a piece of the world that you own. Indeed, real estate, a solid asset to kickstart your journey to wealth. Next up, stocks. Now imagine being a part owner of a thriving business without having to deal with the day-to-day operations or risks involved in running it. That's exactly what investing in stocks offers. When you buy a company's stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company, sharing in its successes and its failures. The potential profits from investing in stocks can be substantial. Companies grow, their stocks rise in value, and as a shareholder, you stand to gain. However, it's essential to note that the stock market isn't a guaranteed goldmine. Prices can fluctuate and sometimes they plummet. That's why research and understanding the market is vital. Knowledge is power, and in the world of stocks, it's also your safety net. It's about knowing when to buy, when to sell, and when to simply hold on for the ride. So stocks, a risky but potentially highly rewarding asset. Third on our list, mutual funds. Now, let's dive into the world of mutual funds, a popular investment choice for many. Why, you might ask? The answer lies in 2 key benefits: diversification and professional management. When you invest in a mutual fund, you're essentially pooling your money with other investors to buy a wide range of different assets. This diversification helps spread risk, so if one investment performs poorly, others may do well, balancing things out. And that's not all. Mutual funds are managed by professionals who dedicate their time to analyzing market trends and making informed decisions. So instead of spending hours researching individual stocks or bonds, you can rest easy knowing your investments are being looked after by experts. But remember, like any investment, mutual funds come with their own risks, and it's important to do your due diligence before diving in. Mutual funds, a great choice for those seeking diversification and expertise. Fourth, we have bonds. Bonds are an intriguing asset class that promises safety and a steady income. Imagine lending money to a trustworthy friend. In return, they promise to pay you back with a little extra on top. This is essentially what happens when you invest in bonds. You lend money to a government or corporation, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are often considered a safer investment than stocks or mutual funds. This is because the issuer of the bond is legally obliged to pay back the money. If a corporation goes bankrupt, bondholders are paid before stockholders. The interest payments from bonds can provide a regular income stream, and this can be particularly appealing if you're looking for a steady return on your investment. The interest rate is fixed, so you know exactly what you're getting and when. Bonds, a secure asset that provides a steady income. Fifth on our list, cryptocurrencies. Now these aren't your granddad's assets. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate independently of a central bank, which makes them immune to government interference. Cryptocurrencies have gained massive popularity in recent years and have become known for their potential to deliver astronomical returns. Imagine this. If you had invested a mere $100 in Bitcoin back in 2010, today you'd be a millionaire. But let's not get carried away. With great potential rewards come great risks. Cryptocurrencies are infamous for their volatility. Prices can skyrocket one moment, then plummet the next. Plus, there's the threat of digital theft, and regulatory changes can impact value too. So while the allure of becoming an overnight crypto millionaire is strong, always remember to invest wisely. Diversify your assets and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are high-risk, high-reward asset. Sixth, we have gold. This gleaming asset has been a symbol of wealth and prosperity for centuries. Its appeal transcends cultures and continents, making it a universally valued resource. Historically, gold has served as a reliable store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Its intrinsic value lies in its rarity and the labor-intensive process required to mine it. Unlike paper currency, gold cannot be created out of thin air. This finite supply, coupled with its inherent desirability, underpins its enduring value. Moreover, the price of gold tends to be remarkably stable over the long term. While its value may fluctuate in response to short-term economic events, it has consistently maintained its purchasing power over the course of history. In an ever-changing world, gold offers a sense of security that few other assets can match. It's not just a shiny metal, it's a tangible piece of wealth that you can hold in your hand. Gold, a timeless asset that has stood the test of time. 7th on our list, business ownership. Owning a business is like being the captain of your own ship. You're in control, charting the course, and making the decisions. It's a position of power, yes, but it also comes with its fair share of responsibilities. When you own a business, you're not just investing your money, you're investing your time, your energy, and your passion. It's a commitment that goes beyond the 9 to 5. But the potential rewards, they can be immense. Think about it. You're not just earning a salary, you're building something of value, something that could one day be worth far more than any paycheck. You're creating jobs, contributing to the economy, and maybe even making a difference in people's lives. And let's not forget about the profits. As a business owner, you stand to gain a significant share of the profits. That's money that can be reinvested, saved, or enjoyed. Business ownership, a challenging but potentially highly rewarding asset. Last but not least, intellectual property. This asset is a bit different from the others we've talked about. Instead of tangible goods or stocks, intellectual property deals with creations of the mind. This includes inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names, and images used in commerce. Now, you might wonder, how can these intangible ideas become a source of wealth? Here's how. When you own intellectual property rights, such as patents for inventions, copyrights for books, music or movies, or trademarks for brand identity, you essentially have a monopoly over the use of your creation. This allows you to charge others for the right to use or reproduce your work, creating a steady stream of income. For example, imagine a songwriter who pens a hit song. Every time that song is played on the radio, streamed online, or used in a movie, they receive a royalty payment. So don't overlook the potential of intellectual property. It's a unique, creative, and potentially lucrative asset. Intellectual property, an often overlooked but valuable asset. And there you have it, 8 assets that can make you rich. From the solidity of real estate, offering a tangible asset that can provide both income and capital growth, to the dynamic realm of stocks, where you can participate in the success of some of the world's biggest companies, the possibilities are vast and varied. Then we have mutual funds, a great way to diversify your portfolio and spread risk, along with bonds, a steady and reliable income source that can balance out more volatile investments. We can't forget about the new kid on the block, cryptocurrencies, which, while risky, offer an exciting modern way to potentially grow your wealth. Gold, on the other hand, has been a store of value for thousands of years and can act as a safe haven in turbulent times. Moreover, owning a business can give you a level of control and potential profit that few other assets can match. And let's not underestimate the power of intellectual property, an often overlooked asset that can generate significant income over time. But remember, each of these assets comes with its own risks and rewards. It's important to do your own research and make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't rush into anything. Take your time to understand each asset class and how it might fit into your overall strategy. Remember, wealth building is a journey, not a destination. Start today, and who knows where you might end up. Thanks for watching.